Good. Look at that. Look at that. That shit look good. Good. Woo-wee. Man, with the carbon. It's your boy, Tlites. Back in this piece, baby. Today we got two mods. These are pedal shifters for the Mustang GT generation from 2015 on up to 2020. Yep. And these cost how much, Christine?
20 bucks.
20 bucks a piece, or just
20 bucks
for the pair.
total for the
20
set.
bucks for the pair for the sets.
On Amazon.
So, Amazon. They come in different colors?
Yeah, they come in different colors. I'm not sure what color, but yeah.
Yeah, we chose these colors, but they come in different colors. But these colors we chose for my sister GTD.
Because it's my favorite color.
Because it's her favorite color, as well as my mom's favorite color and my other mom's favorite color. So, boom. Shout out to Christine for finding these.
Purple joints.
Purple joints. These are pedal shifters that cost $20. That's $20.
20 bucks.
20 bucks even with the shipping and all that.
I got Amazon Prime, so.
Well, if you got Amazon Prime, straight 20 bucks. Now we're gonna bust these open real quick. Damn, who put these on?
So it tells you on there which one is the positive, which one is the negative, so you know which one goes on what side.
Oh yeah, that's a good thing, because I wouldn't have said that. Good.
Yeah, and tap them together. They're not plastic.
Damn, if I can get them off. Shit! Come on, T-Lite, I thought you worked out. I've been in front.
Or if you take it off right here, buddy. There you go.
My bad, y'all, man. I ain't the smartest cookie in the bunch. My mama said, bless your heart, you ain't the smartest.
I'm glad they not cheap. They motherfuckers would have been bent the hell up.
Yeah. So they're not plastic. They're aluminum alloy, high strength, lightweight, and they guarantee it for 1 year. You get a 1 year warranty.
You get a 1 year warranty on these.
No screws. They give you the 3M tape. You apply with adhesive, and they guarantee perfect fit, no scratch, never fade, won't fall off. 1 year. Tapping together.
Bad boy. Bad boy.
Yeah, they're not plastic.
Yeah.
That's heavy duty.
Like that. Look at that. We're gonna put them right here. But we need 3M tape. Well, bam, got the 3M tape right here.
Yeah, I sure did.
Got this good M tape right here. Let me see. Man, and like Christine saying, the positive, see the little positive sign right there? What's it on my hand? Ice is here. My nail's a little bit dirty. Get it out with your fingers. I'm just playing. Right there. Positive sign. Then you got the negative sign right there. Or just the left and right. This was going to the left side, this was going to the right side.
And it's the anti-slip.
Anti-slip, so your fingers won't even slip off of these bad boys. Unless, you know what you been,
Butterfingers.
but you got those butterfingers or you've been, you know what I'm saying, jacking. This the sticky part?
Yeah, did you clean the pedal shifters?
Get me, GT! Okay, we got some vinegar on these right here. On this right here for the pedal shifters. We're going to clean those right real quick. We put vinegar so we can get all the dirt, grit, and grind off of them.
Yeah, these had great reviews too. It's 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5 on the reviews?
Yeah.
I'm going to have to get some of these for garnish!
Yeah, they come in a bunch of different colors.
Bunch of different colors?
I thought they was going to be plastic, but they was better than I thought.
I'm glad they was metal. I'm going to get some of these of mine.
Yeah, like alloy. Yeah.
I guess I
Which
gotta
part
start
did you
using my
take?
pedal shifters now.
Hey,
Hold on.
wrong side.
So we tape it like that. And then just put it on there? Or does the tape come off of this too?
It's obviously it's a double-sided tape, pal. Isn't
It
it?
seems like it's sticky.
Oh yeah. So
Let's see.
yeah, so you stick it on there, and then when you get ready to put it on, you take the So push it on there heavy, before you take the red off.
My bad, y'all. Like I said, I ain't the smartest cookie. But I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. You know, put your fingers, put a little oomph into it, because you don't want them slipping off when you trying to race somebody. Man, your pedal shifters fall off. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
First of all, you're gonna lose.
You're definitely going to lose.
Second of all, you're gonna be in trouble.
Because you ain't want to put the tape on there right. Hopefully I put it on right. I know I did. T-Light, come on, man.
About to find out.
You gotta do it till your fingers get hot like that. They turn white. See how mine turn white? That's why you know you're doing it dry. And let's get the tape off. That's good. The tape come right off. You ain't got no booty digger.
It's just not like fit right in. Like a perfect fit. And them joints look good already.
Here, take this so you can show them.
Bam. Got it on there. We got it taped, 3M taped.
Does it feel sturdy and secure?
Yeah, it feels sturdy and secure. And plus, when it get a little hotter in here, it's definitely gonna. That's when it's really the adhesive. See, it's sturdy, but you wouldn't be hitting it. You'd be hitting it right here.
I'm just saying, just make sure, just tell them that.
Yeah.
When you're using your paddle shifter, you don't want to hit it up here.
Yeah, when you paddle shifting, you ain't this ain't where you supposed to be right here. See where my fingers is? Not up here. I don't know who you thought you was up here, but you ain't that cold. Right down here, baby. Right down here, baby. Bam. I had to touch my GoPro because it be on that funky dunk shit. So that's on there tight. We're gonna go with the next one. Thank you, GTD. Can't wait till you start doing your own videos, but yeah.
Yeah,
I will take
I'm learning, bro.
I will take this footage though. Make sure this one get on. Oh god damn, dude. See how that popped off right there. I don't want it popping off. But like I said, when it get hot out here, real hot, it's cold in the Midwest right now. It's cold as hell right now. So I'm really making sure it just sticks on there. But it's on there, as you can see. And like I said, you get a year warranty with these if you're not happy. If you ain't happy with the 3M tape they give you, go get you some more. Or you can super glue them if you want to. You can do whatever you want to. But this tape should be good enough. I
think that was 1.5 M.
This is 1.5 M?
Yeah, I don't think that was
oh shit, this is 1.5 M, so we can't make no guarantees with that type of tape, baby. 1.5 M.
Get you some 3M,
but
you don't trust this.
Like GT said, you don't trust this 1.5 M tape, which I don't. But shit, I don't see why it would come off, because this is where you paddle shift right here. See, show them where my fingers is, GT. See that? That's how you paddle shift. None of this up here. That doesn't make any sense.
This is there. That's more for like show.
Yeah, if you up here doing that, that's for a YouTube video. When you clicking it like that, that's for YouTube. But yeah, these motherfuckers on here.
And we will update y'all if they happen to fall off.
Mm-hmm.
With the
we will give you
1.5
an update when the warranty run out of them. But yeah, it's good, dog. I can tell. Man, that thing look good. Look at that. Look at that. That shit look good. Good. Woo-wee. Man, with the carbon fiber on the steering wheel too. If your Mustang ain't got this, you're getting doo-dooed on. Your Mustang doo-doo if you ain't got this. I'm just playing. I'm just playing with y'all, man. Don't take me serious. I be just playing. But look at that. Bam. She said these cost $20. Got them from Amazon Prime. Probably one day delivery if you got Amazon Prime. If you don't got Amazon, and free shipping. Like GTD said, if you ain't got Amazon Prime, you probably have to pay probably a few dollars. Get your Amazon Prime when you don't have to, because if you get Amazon Prime, you get to watch Amazon Prime TV too. So it's really a good deal. So yeah, right there, bam. Matter of fact, I don't even watch our Amazon Prime when we got it. I just not thought about that. I don't even be watching it.
I don't know why.
I'm tripping. But yeah, I don't really watch a lot of TV though. So, but like I said, man, $20 get you these bad boys. Definitely enhance your car. Definitely a great little cosmetic mod. Bam, look at it. Look at, man, this Mustang crazy inside. Bam, look at that. Purple. They sturdy, dirty. As you can see. Maybe they ain't as sturdy as we thought they was. See? I'm glad we did that. You might want to get some 3M tape. This shit ain't as sticky as it should be.
Yeah, you might want to get some 3M.
Yeah, you might want to get some 3M, because this shit ain't as sticky as it should be. I'm glad that shit popped off, tell you the truth. So this shouldn't have popped off like that. Get you some 3M tape, because this shit is not that good.
Yeah.
Get you some 3M tape on these, man. This shit ain't sticky at all. See why it ain't sticky? I want to let it heat up a little bit. It ain't really sticking. This side's sticking though. Definitely want to get you some 3M tape with these. That's so you can just put a few strips of 3M on it. That way it won't come off. It won't come off if you hit the top of it. But at the bottom,
I know where that now, that Gorilla Tape. Let me go get it.
You got some?
I know where it's at now.
We're gonna hit y'all back in a second. We went and got that Gorilla Tape. Holds up to 15 pounds. We put it on here. So we gonna see what that Gorilla Tape do. Jig? Yeah, man, we ain't playing no games with this shit no more, man. Don't trust the tape that they give you. I'm just gonna straight up say it. Get you some Gorilla Tape.
Or some 3M.
Or some 3M. I vote Gorilla. It just sounds tougher.
And it's double-sided, so you just gotta peel it off.
Like Sis said, it's double-sided, so you gotta peel it off. If you got booty diggers, it's gonna take a little while. Man, I keep getting it up. There we go. I got booty diggers, so. But I don't dig in my booty. Just in case y'all want to know. Bam, there we go. Yeah, that shit went right on. Got that Gorilla Tape on there. You want to take the other one off, GT?
Yeah, let's take it off. Because I don't, like you said, I want to start using my paddle shifters and then the shit fly off.
Shifting like a motherfucker. That motherfucker fly off. 1.5M, gotcha. Oh yeah, that's already.
They feel more sturdy and secure.
I'm scared to put. Oh yeah, that's definitely more sturdy. I put a little resistance on it. 1 finger strength on it. Boom. Let's go ahead.
Okay, so we already showed y'all. We didn't even have to give y'all no update a little longer.
That motherfucker sturdy though. Look.
Okay, well, I mean, it's up to you. You think you don't have feeling it, so you can stay on there?
This side is good on here.
Oh, so they sent one side was faulty.
Yeah. One side was faulty, the other side wasn't. But you always got the Gorilla Tape though.
Yeah, we'll give y'all the update if that one come off.
Yeah, we definitely let y'all know if that one come off. But we know for sure one side of this 1.5M was trash. But the other side holding up, look. That's crazy. Well, yep, there you go, baby. There you go. We definitely got it fixed. This side's got 3M on it. This side still got that 1.5M tape on it. But it's holding up pretty good because I'm putting the resistance on it. It's still holding up. But we know for sure this Gorilla Tape gonna work over here. So, but we'll keep y'all posted on this one. If this one fall off, we definitely will do a video and let you know that 1.5M is trash. But right now it's not. It's half trash, half not. But yeah, this is what it looked like, man. Man, look how nice they look. Ooh, wee. That's straight funkadifficated. I made that up. It didn't make no sense. Funkadifficated. Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice, baby. And with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there. Let y'all get an outside view of it. Oh shit. Now you can't see shit from one side. Boom, there we go. Look at that. Freaky diggy. Look at the bottom of it too. See how longer they are at the bottom? Ooh, look how they look from the back. Man, that is nice. They look real nice. Look at that. Talking about T-Light, man, when you gonna come back to some of that Mustang content? I just gave it to you, baby. My Mustang look not my Mustang. It ain't my Mustang, y'all. My sister GTD's Mustang. Subscribe to her YouTube channel. Hopefully by this video she'll have videos out. But if she don't, I got y'all. And with that being said, man, shut the door real quick on the Mustang. Let y'all see what the Mustang look like so far. It's looking real good. Bane is coming along real well. Looking real good. Got the 20s. Freaky Diggy got the GT500 splitter. I'm not gonna name everything, man, because that's for another video. Y'all ain't gonna cheat me. I know content. Nice try though. Yeah, there you go. And with that being said, give us one more look at it, T-Light. Bam. These cost $20. Paddle shifters. Bam. Amazon. $20 straight if you got Amazon Prime. Without Amazon Prime, probably gonna spend about $27 to get the delivery. But other than that, man, boom. Hope y'all like this video. Leave with something positive. You know what I always say, stay away from negative Ned, negative Nancy. Always believe in yourself. Keep your head up, man. Stop walking with your head down. Don't let nobody tell you what you can't do. Show them what you can do. And if you ever need somebody to talk to, get in them comments, man. Holler at your boy, Uncle T Light. Man, I tell you, I'm going to keep it all the way real with you, baby. But with that being said, man, it's your boy, T Light. And I'm out this piece. But before I go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Join the Werewolf King. Shout out to the Light crew. And I'm out here doing my thing. And I'm out this piece. Jiddig.